Welcome to Korean Travel Essentials. Today, we're diving into Hangul, the Korean alphabet. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about the language, this video will guide you through all 14 consonants and 10 vowels with their pronunciations and explanations. Let's get started again. Hangul is one of the most scientific and logical writing systems in the world. It was created in the 4th century by King Sejong and his scholars to make literacy accessible to all Koreans. Let's begin with the 14 basic consonants. 기역. This consonant sounds like the English GK, as in go or ski. 애쌍기역, a double consonant pronounced with a stronger GK sound. 니은, similar to the English N, like in no. 디귿, sounds like to as in dog or stop. 쌍디귿, a double consonant with a stronger DT. 리을, a versatile sound that's somewhere between R and L. Think of run or leap. 미음, the English M sound, as in mom. 피읍, pronounced as BP, like in boy or spot. 쌍비읍, a double consonant with a stronger BP sound. 지읒, similar to the English S as in sun. 쌍시읒, a double consonant with a sharper S sound. 아이응, silent when placed at the beginning of a syllable but pronounced as M-ong at the end, like in song. 자읒, sounds like the English J as in jump. 쌍지읒, a double consonant with a stronger J. 읒, similar to the English Ch as in chop. 키읔, the English K sound, like in kite. 티읕, pronounced as like in top. 피압, sounds like the English P as in pen. 하읒, the English A sound, like in head. Now let's move on to the vowels. Hangul has 6 basic vowels which can be combined with consonants to form syllables. A, this vowel sounds like a longa, similar to the one in father. Ya, a combination of ipa, pronounced like yacht. Yo, a short vowel that resembles the English U sound, like in umbrella. Io, a combination of ibio, pronounced like the beginning of young. O, similar to the long O sound in old. Yo, a combination of ipa, pronounced like yoga. U sounds like a long U, similar to the one in moon. U, a combination of IPU, pronounced like unicorn. U, a neutral vowel that doesn't exist in English, but is somewhat similar to the middle vowel sound in brook. I, this vowel sounds like a long I, similar to the one in tree. By combining these consonants and vowels, you can create syllables such as ge, na, da, ra, and so on. Practice these combinations regularly to improve your reading and pronunciation skills. The history of Hangul's creation, its scientific structure, whether it is a difficult language to learn, and the reasons why foreigners learn Korean. 1. History of Hangul creation. Hangul, the Korean alphabet, was created in the 4th century by King Sejong of the Joseon dynasty. At the time, Korea used Chinese characters for writing, which were difficult to learn and accessible only to the elite class. To make literacy attainable for all people, King Sejong decided to create a new writing system. In 1446, King Sejong officially introduced Hangul through the publication of 훈민정금, meaning the correct sounds for the instruction of the people. Hangul was designed to be simple and logical so that anyone could learn it quickly. King Sejong famously stated, "A wise man can learn it in the morning, and even a fool can learn it in 10 days, emphasizing its ease of learning. The scientific structure of Hangul. Hangul consists of 14 consonants and 10 vowels, making up a total of 14 letters. The consonants are inspired by the shapes of speech organs when pronouncing each sound. For example, G represents the shape of the tongue, blocking the throat when pronouncing the GK sound. The vowels are based on philosophical concepts derived from 치원지인, meaning heaven, earth, and human. I symbolizes heaven. U symbolizes earth. O symbolize humans. Thanks to this scientific design, Hangul is capable of representing nearly every sound in human speech with precision. Its phonemic structure also makes it suitable for transcribing other languages. Sam, is Korean harder to learn than English? For native English speakers, Korean is considered relatively difficult to learn due to several factors. 1. Grammar differences. English follows a subject-verb-object structure, whereas Korean uses subject-object-verb. Additionally, Korean relies heavily on particles that do not exist in English. 5. Honorific system. Korean has various levels of formality and politeness, requiring learners to adjust vocabulary and grammar depending on social context. Sam, pronunciation. Korean includes sounds that are unfamiliar to English speakers, such as double consonants. However, Hangul itself is highly intuitive and systematic, allowing learners to master reading and writing within hours or days, an advantage over other East Asian scripts like Japanese or Chinese. 자, why do foreigners learn Korean? Foreigners learn Korean for various reasons. 1. Influence of Hallyu. The global popularity of K-pop, K-dramas, and K-movies has sparked interest in learning Korean. Artists like BTS and dramas like Squid Game have played significant roles in spreading Korean culture worldwide. 이 interest in culture and history. Many people want to understand Korean traditions, customs, and values more deeply by learning the language. Some academic and career opportunities. Studying at Korean universities or working for Korean companies motivates many learners. Korea's IT and entertainment industries are internationally recognized, offering ample career opportunities. Some personal reasons. Some foreigners learn Korean to communicate better with their Korean family members or friends, especially in cases of international marriages or exchange programs. Or conclusion. Hangul is a historically significant and scientifically innovative writing system. While Korean grammar and cultural nuances may pose challenges for English speakers, Hangul's logical structure makes reading and writing relatively easy to learn. Foreigners are drawn to learning Korean due to Hallyu's influence, academic or professional opportunities, cultural curiosity, and personal relationships. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more language learning content. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more language learning content.